Alright, welcome back to Duel Custom Cars and everything, and I was just going to show you guys a quick exhaust video here, if I can. So, comes off the header there. Goes to, I muffler clamped everything, then I still tacked it all. That's the worst tack anyway, by the way. And then I went up and into, and then I got it coming out. I think it's kind of cool. Comes out right below, right there, and then the other side as well. Kind of fit right in there, you know. Plus I got the shock mounts in today, and all that stuff. And set my pinion angle today. So I did all that. I didn't video any of that, but because now what I'm going to do is we're going to wire this doggy up. So on my next video here, you'll see that I put this all together. That'll be on the next video. So I put my regulator, alternator regulator there, starter relay, horn relay, all the signal light relays, fuses, so everything's right here. I can get to it no problem. If you're sitting alongside the road somewhere, something's broke down, you want everything easy to fix, you know, because you might have minimal tools too on your disposal. Let's see, the pink wire gets mounted to that, and then the red wire goes to that, and then that one goes to the funny bone, and then the funny bone's connected to the funny bone, and the screw bone, and this bone, and that bone, and oh, never mind. So yeah, so anyway, that's what we got so far. Please like and subscribe, guys, because now what we're gonna do is we're gonna enter the wiring zone. Yeah. Gonna wire everything up now. Engine, computer, oh, everything. Maybe by next weekend we can fire this puppy up and turn the lights on and everything. Sweet. Okay, please like and subscribe. Take care, guys. I would appreciate it. And have a good one, you guys. And thank you if you do subscribe. I sure appreciate it. Bye-bye.